welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video we're going to make a DIY facial moisturizer, a moisturizer that will help to lift, tighten and firm the skin, a moisturizer using natural ingredients. This moisturizer you can use on your face, your neck and decollete. Now before I jump in the kitchen to make this moisturizer, take a look at what I have here. This is the Ultra Defense Khichi Beauty moisturizer. This contains collagen, it contains retinol, vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E. This will also help to lift, tighten and firm the skin and reduce wrinkles and fine lines while hydrating the skin. So if you're interested in the Khichi Beauty Ultra Facial Moisturizer, look at the side of the video. You can check out right here on YouTube or visit my YouTube store, ALESMAXii.com, and you'll see all the Khichi Beauty skincare products. Now that is out of the way, let's get in the kitchen and start making our DIY facial moisturizer, our anti-aging DIY facial moisturizer. So for this recipe, you're going to need a small bowl and you're also going to need a saucepan. So the first thing I'm going to do, I am going to pour the rice in the blender, and I'm using about a 1/4 cup of white rice. Rice will help to lift, tighten and firm the skin. It is great to reduce wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. It is also good for smoothing the skin. So I'm going to use about a 1/4 cup of rice. I'm going to pour this in my blender and then I'm going to blend to a powder. Once this is done, we're going to reach for the saucepan, and any saucepan will do, and we're going to pour our blended rice into the saucepan, and then we're going to reach for some water. I'm going to be using about a cup of water. You can choose to use a little less depending on your stovetop. Now once this is done, I'm going to place my saucepan on top of the stove and I'm going to start stirring. So we're going to stir this until about 3 minutes, until it starts to boil up. And once that starts to happen, you continue stirring again for another minute or so, and then we are going to take it from the stove top and we're going to strain it. You want to strain this immediately, because if you don't do that, the rice is going to absorb all the water. So strain, and after it is strained, go ahead and put it aside. Now once it is cooled, it is now ready to make our facial moisturizer. So here we have the rice water, and this is about 3 tablespoons of the rice water. And now we are going to add other ingredient to this. My first ingredient is going to be aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is rich in vitamins and minerals, which will help to hydrate the skin, also help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. And aloe vera will help to get rid of hyperpigmentation on the skin, also good for sunburn skin. So we're going to use about a tablespoon of the aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon. And we're going to add this to the rice water. And what we're going to do, we are going to totally dissolve the aloe vera gel in the rice water. So mix and mix well. For this recipe, if you have fresh aloe vera gel, you can go ahead and use it. Now totally dissolve the aloe vera gel in the rice water. And once this is done, you're now going to have a serum base consistency, and that is exactly how you want it to be. And now what we're going to do, we are going to add some oils to this. So the first oil I'm going to use is a pomegranate seed oil. This is rich in vitamin C and vitamin E. Help to lighten the skin, help to nourish the skin, help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. A good oil to use on your face and also on your body. This is also good for your nails, your knees, your elbows. I'm going to be using about a teaspoon of the pomegranate seed oil, 1 teaspoon of pomegranate seed oil. Pour this in our mixture. Next oil is going to be some rosehip seed oil, and rosehip seed oil is rich in essential vitamins, vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E. It also contains some B vitamins. This is good for wrinkles, good for dark spots and blemishes on the skin, good for lifting, tightening, good as a massage oil on the skin. And it is also good to use as an additional oil to your facial oil blend. I'm going to be using about a teaspoon of the rosehip seed oil, and we're pouring this in. If you want these oils, you can find them at ALESMAXii.com, home of the Khichi Beauty skincare products. Now my next oil is a vitamin E oil, and I'm going to use a few drops of the vitamin E oil, around about a half a teaspoon. That we have our 3 oils in, we are going to slowly blend this into our aloe vera rice water mixture. Just slowly blend it in, and it's gonna get even thicker as you continue to mix. So go ahead and mix well. We're mixing rice water, aloe vera gel, pomegranate seed oil, rosehip seed oil, and vitamin E oil. We're making a facial moisturizer that is going to help to clear the skin of wrinkles and fine lines, hydrate and smooth the skin. Good for all skin type, and this is also great for tightening and firming the skin from the starch of the rice. And now this is done, and let me bring it up close for you to see what it looks like. It is now a very serum-like consistency, and this is what makes this so great, because it's just seep right into the skin. Now we're going to reach for our storage jar. Now if you have vegetable glycerin, you can go ahead and add a teaspoon to this mixture for a longer shelf life. So now let's pour this out. And as usual, we make the exact amount for these jars. So take a look at this. This is our rice facial moisturizer made with rice water, aloe vera gel, pomegranate seed oil, rosehip seed oil, and a vitamin E oil for hyperpigmentation, lifting, tightening, and firming the skin, reducing wrinkles and fine lines while hydrating the skin. So to use the moisturizer, and you store this in your refrigerator. To use the moisturizer, you take a few drops of the moisturizer and you apply it on your skin. And take a look at this. This just melts on the skin, and since it is water-based, it's going to make the skin just feel and look hydrated. So this is it, your anti-aging facial moisturizer. Now if you're looking for a moisturizer that is going to mimic this one, check out my website ALESMAXii.com and go ahead and look at our Ultra Defense Moisturizer. That is a moisturizer that works similar to this one. So either you're going to make this one, or you're going to hop on over to ALESMAXii.com and check out our Ultra Defense Moisturizer.